Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Sely Hanifah. I am from Sarjanawiyata Tamansiswa University. I will present my article with the title Application of Problem-Based Learning Model Assist by Game Activities to Improve Mathematics Learning Outcome. Okay, the background. The background of this study is the low learning outcome in mathematics in class 6 of STN Ngabian. Through observation and interviews, it was found that students had difficulty in understanding basic mathematical concepts, especially in calculation. This is caused by several factors, including the lack of innovation in the learning model applied by teachers, the low level of active participation of students in the learning process, and student negative perception of mathematics is a difficult and boring subject. This condition indicates the need for improvement in the mathematics learning process. Therefore, the researcher proposed the application of the problem-based learning model integrated with educational game as a solution to overcome these problems. It is hoped that with the application of this learning model, students' learning outcome in the material of fraction and decimal can increase significantly. Then, method. This study is a classroom action research conducted collaboratively between researchers and grade 6 teacher of STN Ngabian. This study aims to improve student learning outcome in mathematics learning. The study was conducted in 3 cycles to see development and improvement of learning. The subject of the study were 25 grade 6 students and class teacher. Data collection was carried out in various ways, such as observation of learning process, interviews with teacher and student, and tests to measuring learning outcome. The data obtained were analyzed using the Mills and Huberman analysis model. The main focus of this study is on application of problem-based learning model assessed by game activities. Next, result and discussion. The data on my research present on the table 1. Table 1, observation result of the implementation of PBL assessed by game activities. Based on table 1, it can be seen that the learning process in cycle 1, 2, and 3 always increase. The result of observation of teacher in cycle 1 to cycle 2 increased by 6.96%, and from cycle 2 to cycle 3 increased by 3.21%. Observation of student from cycle 1 to cycle 2 increased by 5.66%, and from cycle 2 to cycle 3 increased 3.74%. The result of observation of teacher and student in cycle 2 and 3 saw that their target is the study had been achieved, which was 85%. Next, table 2, analysis of student learning outcome in cycle 1, 2, and 3. Based on table 2, it can be shown that the completeness of student learning outcome increased from cycle 1 to cycle 3. The percentage of student learning completeness in cycle 1 was 56%, in cycle 2 it was 78%, and in cycle 3 it was 88%. However, the percent of the student learning completeness or proficient in cycle 1 and cycle 2 showed that the target in the study had not reached the target of 85%. This happened because of the obstacle that emerged in the previous meeting had not been resolved properly. Therefore, the teacher must take maximum action in the next meeting. After taking maximum action in cycle 2 meeting 2, cycle 3 saw a significant increase, which proved that the action given by the teacher had a better impact than the action in the previous meeting. And the last conclusion, based on the description, it can be concluded that the application of the problem-based learning model assessed by game activities can improve learning outcome in grade 6 students of STN Ngabian in the 2024 to 2025 academic year. This can be seen from the percent of student learning completion in cycle 1 of 56%, and cycle 2 88%, in cycle 2 78% and in cycle 3 of 88%. Okay, thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.